You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome, you're listening to Vocal Technologist. We're here to cut through the noise and give you the key insights from a whole stack of sources.
That's right. Think of it as your shortcut to getting up to speed.
And today, we're looking at artificial intelligence. It's moving so incredibly fast.
It really is.
We've had some crucial updates, stuff that connects, the high-level research right down to real-world impact.
Exactly. We'll cover a lot of ground new AI skills, these huge infrastructure projects, the societal questions too.
Right, so you get the facts and the context.
Precisely.
Okay, let's unpack this AI brainpower bit first. Google's Gemini Deep, I think this is big, it actually got an IMO gold medal.
The International Mathematical Olympiad. Wow.
Yeah. Officially certified, solved 5 out of 6 problems. And the key thing, it did it using natural language straight from the text.
Which is a massive shift, right? Because before you needed experts to translate it all into formal math symbols.
Exactly, and days of compute time. This feels like a real leap in reasoning. OpenAI had something similar recently too, didn't they?
They did, yeah. It shows these capabilities really advancing.
Yeah.
But it's not just reasoning. We're seeing other models get better too, like Alibaba's Qwen 3235B, broader improvements.
Okay.
And this push for more power is also leading to more transparency, which is good. Apple just put out this super detailed technical report,
Oh, what kind of details?
like how they train their new models, how they optimize them, the evaluation, architecture, data sources, the works. It's rare to get that kind of look inside.
Huh. That's useful for everyone else working in the field, I bet.
Definitely. And maybe the most exciting part, AI is pushing into biology now. Prima Mente has these models called Pleiades.
Epigenetic foundation models, what does that mean?
So they're trained on human methylation and genomic data, huge data sets.
Mm-hmm.
And they're showing real promise for diagnosing things like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
Better than current methods.
Yeah, actually outperforming the DNA-only tests. It suggests AI might be finding completely new ways to spot these diseases early. That's potentially transformative.
Wow, okay. So amazing progress on the capability side, but what about actually powering all this? The infrastructure.
Yeah. That's where things get interesting. And maybe a bit messy.
You mean like Project Stargate, that SoftBank and OpenAI plan? $500 billion, right?
Yeah, that's the one. Huge ambition. But the latest is, well, it's struggling. 6 months after that big White House announcement,
Great.
0 data center deals actually completed. Reportedly, they're clashing over where to even build them.
Oof. But wait, didn't OpenAI just do a massive deal on their own?
They did, with Oracle, a $30 billion annual deal for 4.5 gigawatts of compute power.
Hold on, 4.5 gigawatts? That's almost Stargate's entire goal for the first year, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah. So OpenAI just went and secured that independently.
Yeah.
It really shows the gap between, the grand vision and actually getting things built.
Right, execution matters.
And it all ties back to the underlying tech. Like, Kimi K2 just had a breakthrough with techniques like NuClip and QK-Clip.
What do those do?
They basically solve the problem of training crashes when you try to scale models up to trillions of parameters efficiently. You need that kind of stability for these giant projects to even work.
Gotcha. So the foundational research is critical for the big ambitions. Okay, so what does all this mean for, regular people?
Well, look at ChatGPT. It's now getting 2.5 billion prompts a day.
2.5 billion. That's insane growth. How does that compare to, say, Google search?
It's still less. Google does about 14 billion searches daily. But ChatGPT more than doubled its volume in just 8 months. That's phenomenal growth.
Yeah, no kidding.
And this changes how we get information. These vision language models, VLMs,
Yeah.
they're changing the game for AUG retrieval augmented generation.
Right, break that down.
So Argo helps AI pull relevant info from huge data sets. Now with VLMs, the AI can literally read documents directly from images. It sees the charts, the tables, everything. No complex parsing needed.
So it understands the visual layout, too.
Exactly. It preserves all those visual cues, making the information it retrieves much more accurate and complete.
Okay, that's a big deal for using information. But there are bigger picture things, too, right? Like geopolitics.
Definitely. There's this concept called the fourth offset. The idea is that a breakthrough technology could shift military power dramatically, like nuclear weapons did.
And AI could be that.
Some analysts think so.
Yeah.
There are projections, maybe optimistic, that the U.S. could hit AGI, artificial general intelligence, by 2030,
Wow.
whereas China might be held back by chip constraints. This is leading to calls for really aggressive government investment in the U.S.
Right. It's becoming a strategic issue. But it's not all about military advantage, is it? There's an optimistic view, too.
Oh, absolutely. Vijay Simo, who's coming in as OpenAI's CEO of applications, talks about AI as the greatest source of empowerment.
How so?
Her vision is about democratizing access to knowledge, healthcare, creative tools, economic opportunities, making them available to basically everyone.
That's a powerful idea. And we see companies trying to support that.
Yeah, like Meta and AWS have their Llama startup program. They're giving compute credits, engineering help to new AI ventures.
Okay.
And just quickly, on the business side, remember Grok's AI companions? They drove a lot of downloads. But it turns out it's their newer model, Grok 4, that's really bringing in the revenue now, shows how quickly these things can be monetized.
So it's really hitting on all cylinders then. AI is achieving these amazing intellectual feats, tackling biology,
Right, while also becoming this massive infrastructure challenge.
influencing global power, and changing how we all interact with information every single day. It's this incredible mix of innovation and consequence.
It really is.
Ah.
Which leads to maybe a final thought to leave people with. As AI keeps accelerating, reshaping everything from industries to society to global relations, what's our role?
Responsibility.
Yeah, as informed people.
Yeah.
How do we help guide this, make sure the benefits actually spread widely and, well, fairly? Something to think about.
Spoken Tech for your ears.